Okay, we're here at the archery shoot at Parley's Canyon, and what was the good news today?
We finally got to go on a course that was closed forever.
The members course is open. Yeah, so here we are. We're trying it first. BC's gonna split the distance on this bear. Nice shot.
That might be a line on the heart. I don't know why, but whenever I aim right there, it goes right there.
Okay, hit it again. Hurry. Nice.
20 yards.
Okay, here goes Graham.
Oh,
all right, did you get him?
Yeah, did you hear that?
Good.
Yeah. He
Nice
got
shot.
him low right. Guess you got a heart shot again.
Graham! I didn't film his second arrow, and he 12 ringed it. Nice shot. Okay, the boys are down there shooting up here at this antelope. Go ahead. Nice. Okay, Graham's up. Boom. Nice shooting down there.
I figured not. He hit it.
Nice.
He hit it.
Easton has spotted the mighty cougar. Got him.
Thought that was gonna miss.
Okay, rip again. Good looks. All right, here goes Graham. Oh, beauty.
Ooh.
Good shot, Graham. Turn around.
Good shot,
look at me.
Graham.
Yeah.
What?
Go ahead.
Ready?
Yep. Nice.
I'm shooting this kind of thread the needle, but the grass is kind of blocking it.
Yeah, it's gonna be tricky. Okay, go for it. Got hung up in the grass.
Too far right.
Got him.
Okay, Houston.
Nice. Ooh, nice shot. Right in the middle. Good job, Graham.
Nice.
Look at me. Okay, I just shot at an elk at 88, and I hope I hit it, but Easton's now going to try it at 42. Go for it.
If I make this will be the longest shot of my life, because my longest shot was 41.
Oh, okay, let's see it. You did.
Hit it.
Nice.
I'll shoot one more time.
Okay, shoot again.
You smoked him.
Just below it.
How did that go below?
Another sweet shot. Well, that was the last target on that course. Now we're walking through the jungle. On to the next. We finally got a cloud, so it's nice and cool. We'll keep going. All right, on to the next course.
Hey, get on your back. I see that one.
Here Easton goes on the elk. Oh. Just over his back.
That arrow
The
was
one
so
antlered
cool.
elk. Easton on the bear. Graham had to run back to get his arrow at the last target because he forgot it. Trying a way far shot. Let's scoot up.
let's get on the road.
Okay, go. Shoot. Well, the mosquitoes got so bad and I didn't have any spray that we decided to pack up and leave. We were just getting attacked down there right by the highway. So we're headed out. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is our last archery shoot for the year. I think it's open next weekend too, but we'll be out of town. So this is probably it for up here. So until next year.